In this video, I'm going to show you how to schedule a meeting on Google Calendar. So there are two ways. The first is you come to Meet on its own. You can come to meet.google.com and you will be brought in over here. So you have the option to come to New Meeting, and you can see create a meeting for later, start an instant meeting, or you can schedule in Google Calendar. So you can go ahead and schedule in Google Calendar, and this is going to bring you over to Google Calendar where you can schedule your meeting. So now you give the title of the meeting. For example, DM meeting. All right, so down here you specify the date, when do you want it, and the timing. Let's say we'll go with this time zone. You can specify it's an all day if you want, and then schedule. So over here, this is where you have the main meeting details. So you can see over here, you can copy the conference info, and then you can paste it in here if you want. You can paste it here. So you have the details here, the meeting ID, the date and time, and then the joining the joining link over here. Okay, this is where you can join the meeting, and then you can add location if you're interested, and then which calendar you want to add it to. So let's say I'm going with this calendar, and then everything is set to default. So once you are okay with this, you can just go ahead and click on save, and this is now going to be added to your calendar. You can see it over here. You can always invite, copy the link and invite. So you can copy the link to here and just share it with people on the calendar. Alternatively, you can just copy this and then you can share it with people and they can join the meeting instantly. And paste in here and you have the same details. If you found this helpful, please leave a like.